I bet you didn't know your MacBook Air keyboard could sound like a mini percussion instrument. Let's find out why. First up, normal key presses. MacBook keyboards, especially with mechanical or butterfly switches, naturally make clicking noises. That's just the sound of the key mechanism doing its job. Now, debris under the keys can also be a culprit. Dust or dirt can get trapped, causing that clickety-clack. To fix it, try cleaning with some compressed air. Oh, and don't forget those sticky or faulty keys. If certain keys are sticking or malfunctioning, they might sound louder or just different. Cleaning or resetting your keyboard may help. And here's a tech trick: software feedback. If you've enabled key click sound in accessibility settings, every press gets a sound effect. To turn it off, go to System Settings, Accessibility, Keyboard, and toggle off key press sound. If the clicking is unusual or from specific keys, it might need a hardware inspection. Now you know what's up with your MacBook Air keyboard. Happy typing!